This is DJI Mini 3 Pro, and today I will show how you can clear all data on this drone. So to start, you will need to launch the DJI Fly app either on your phone or on your remote controller, then go into the flying interface. Next, open settings by tapping at these three horizontal dots. Go into the About section, scroll down all the way, and here tap at the Clear All Data button. This includes the data that will be cleared. Such data is the one that you store on your internal storage and SD card, aircraft logs, unlocking licenses, and other user data stored on an aircraft. So this way you're clearing all your personal user data, so do that. Back up the data you need to beforehand, obviously, and that's how you erase the data. And as you can see, all settings will be reset to default as well. So I couldn't finish the process because my drone switched off due to overheating, but in your case, if that will not happen with you, you will be able to finish this process easily. Anyway, that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.